it's close at hand. But anyway, my concept is...
Okay, we're back now from our bins journey of trying to find each other Halloween costumes. Ooh. Portland pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever...
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How do you think you did?
Okay, so it was a struggle at first because it's the frickin' bins, so...
Well, also you were like picking things out for yourself, which you could see a bins haul in another video that we post.
Yes. So this was a dual trip, okay? So we were like, we'll shoot the Halloween, costume thrift, couples journey, and also business money at the
Gotta
same
make
time.
those monies.
So initially, I was like, what the heck am I gonna do for a costume? So I just kind of let the bins speak to me. That's what you have to do when you go to the bins anyway. So at first I found like a cheerleading pom-pom and like this straw hat, and I was thinking, okay, maybe like a cowgirl, like cheerleader type thing with a horror element, or
a whore?
A horror element.
What are you calling a whore?
What are you calling? Then I found like these, and my sister had kind of mentioned like, oh, she could kind of be wearing that or something, and I was like, all right, but where does that fit in? And then, so we found more of it, and even like a crown, and like a little extra piece here. So then I was like, Earth Witch.
Oh.
Like an earthy witch.
Okay.
And like then this wooden cross brought it all together. It spoke to me. And it has like a family name. I'm not going to show the family name or stuff on it because then that just makes it weird. But this is actually a nice like homemade wooden cross. So in this bell, which like, it's kind of creepy.
Oh my god.
So, or maybe I'm just creepy, and so that's...
It actually was nice. He found that bell, and he was like, whenever I ring it, you need to come over, because I had that shopping cart, and you rang it, and I came over. Actually,
it works.
It works nice at the bins when you're lost.
So, like, I don't know what, like, a witch that's ringing in, like, the anti-religious era. Oh, you could hold it upside down. Yeah.
But Earth Witch?
An Earth Witch.
Okay.
Obviously.
So I'm wearing...
Okay, so you have...
just wearing
yeah,
vines?
So you're completely naked. But you're wearing this wrapped around you.
Oh my god. Okay.
And then you have this flower crown.
Okay.
And this is probably covering the vajay.
Oh my god.
That's
Wait,
my
we're
theory.
supposed to put these on so they can see.
And then there's a basket.
I
So
think
we have options.
I think I have like a skin-colored like leotard.
Mine's basically the props that win.
Okay.
So like you can either be carrying this earth basket, and I was thinking about painting these like black. Like you're carrying a death basket or something.
You're gonna paint them black?
Yeah. And then you're wearing this. It could go a couple different ways. But then there was, you know, the Dracula cape, which you could wear the red side.
Oh.
And we could hang the like hot glue the vines down
okay.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Wrap it around, and then you could have these as the, you know.
Does an Earth Witch need a witch hat?
No, you have this crown.
Okay.
You have this floral.
Am I a good witch or a bad witch?
I know, I don't know.
Oh.
So we're gonna find out in the next video. Dun dun dun.
All right. Is that it?
That's, yeah.
Wait, I saw other things.
Oh wait. Oh yeah.
I was like, wait a minute.
Okay, so there was also, but you found this technically.
Yeah.
This like.
Well, see, I like that. I was just trying to. I was finding things. I was like, does this fit with your theme? Does this fit with your theme?
So like this. I don't know. This has potential.
Maybe
to
we
be
can
like
take the roses
this side.
off. Yeah. And
so you could wear it this side,
Uh-huh.
and then, but it kind of has that crown. I don't know. I don't think maybe take off the pink flowers or something.
Yeah.
There's that, and then you also found these wings.
Yeah, I just want them. I just wanted them, but I was like, if those fit your costume too, but that doesn't really fit.
They
witch.
won't really go. They're kind of witchy. They can be like
But
the
this is cool. These wings are really
Maleficent
cool.
type.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you could basically be like Maleficent.
Maybe these are Maleficent wings, but
in a way.
I found like a lot of actual costumes,
Those are like decently constructed.
but
too.
I didn't want an actual costume for him. I wanted to piece together something. All right.
Okay.
So you want me to show you?
Yeah. So now